In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice automation in HoneyBook, Billing Follow-up 2026. We're setting up a simple, reliable way to follow up on invoices, so you spend less time chasing payments and more time serving clients. Start by opening your browser and going to honeybook.com. If you use this often, it's a good idea to bookmark the page so you can get back to it quickly next time. Next, log into your HoneyBook account. Enter your login details and complete any security checks that appear, such as a verification code. If your account has multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one for the business you're managing. Once you're in, HoneyBook will drop you onto your main dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see an overview of your activity. This is a helpful place to confirm that you're in the right account and everything looks normal. From here, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. That sidebar is your primary navigation hub. You'll find sections for projects, tools, and more. For today, we're heading into automations. Click Automations in the sidebar. This area is where you create rules that run for you in the background, like sending emails or reminders at specific times. In the Automations page, look for a button or option that says Create Automation and click it. This opens a new automation setup so you can build exactly what you need. Now, within the creation view, find the option labeled Invoice. This is the template or starting point tailored for billing follow-up. Click it to select. Choosing Invoice helps you jump straight to the pieces designed to nudge clients about payments without reinventing the wheel. Once you've selected it, click Use Automation. HoneyBook will open the automation editor. Here, review what's included, the timing of the follow-ups, the messages that will be sent, and any conditions that might determine when reminders go out. Make sure the language reflects your brand voice, the cadence fits your payment terms, and the sequence aligns with how you normally handle billing. If you prefer to make small adjustments, this is the place to do it. When everything looks good, save or publish the automation so it's active. If you want an extra layer of confidence, save it first, give it a clear name you'll recognize later, and then publish when you're ready to roll it out. That's it. You've created an invoice automation in HoneyBook, and your billing follow-up is now streamlined and consistent.